Okay, so we've done the taste testing on the different chicken patties that there is. So today we're also going to be trying the chicken nuggets. Now, last time Banquet won on the chicken patty taste test. So today we got the same roundup. We got the Banquet, Perdue, and Tyson's. So we'll do Tyson's first.
No, not bad.
Really good.
Mm.
And it's sweet.
That's good.
They're nice and juicy. They're moist.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it has seasoning.
Yeah, they're really, really moist.
Yeah. Yeah.
And they do. They have a good seasoning on their own.
And then you add our barbecue sauce on it.
And it's
Real.
And it smells good too.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Where's my towel? I had a towel over here.
Oh yeah, they're really good cheese.
I like those ones.
Those are good.
They're really good.
Those are the Tyson ones.
I
They're-
can definitely handle
They're
those.
really moist. They got a really good seasoning to them.
Yeah.
They have a nice crispy coating on them. I definitely like those. Are you fine, Bella?
Bella, you want to try it?
Come on.
Come on, Bubba. Oh, Bella's really liking that.
These are the Perdue. These ones are as good.
What?
They're not as good. I mean, they're good, but
They're okay.
yeah.
The coating isn't as, I mean, it's crispy, but it's not as seasoned
Yeah.
as the Tyson's at all. And I did get plain in all of them.
It's not as juicy.
Yeah, and the chicken,
Yeah, it's
chicken is
drier.
not as moist and juicy at all.
Doesn't have very much.
And
of a
I put them
smell
all
to it.
in. They all have the same cooking time and temps that I've seen. I put them all in and cooked them all the exact same.
Yeah, it doesn't really have much of a smell to it.
Yeah, they're.
Yeah, it doesn't have as good of a flavoring to it.
I didn't even taste anything. That's like.
I mean, they're not horrible.
No.
They're still better than the Walmart Great Value ones that we got. But
Which ones are you using?
these ones are the Banquet.
Those ones are better.
Yeah.
It's as juicy as those ones, but still.
No, these are not juicy. These are dry. I mean, just
Oh, it's chewy.
go like that to that, and go like that to that.
Yeah.
They're both
Big
crunchy, but
difference in juice.
Yeah, the insides are a lot different. I dare say those are actually worse than the Perdue. Which I'm very surprised about because when it came to chicken patties,
It was
Purdue was number
yeah,
one.
Banquet had the best chicken patties out of all of them. We ranked Banquet number one.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
But yeah, these are,
A lot drier.
a lot drier than the Perdue. And they're a little harder to chew.
Yeah. These are easier to chew than what those are.
And this one's the Perdue and this one's the Banquet. And the
You get more
Perdue's
meat.
you get more meat with it too.
I think that's where they messed up, is that they're thinning them out.
Yeah, where these ones,
Alright, nice and thick.
They're about the same. Those two are.
no, they're close to the Perdue's, but they're just a lot juicier. They taste a lot
These
better.
are
They
a
have-
lot juicier and better flavor.
More flavor to it.
Yeah. So as far as rankings, it would be Banquet actually, or not Banquet. Banquet is on the bottom. It would be Banquet, Perdue, but the one that actually won it and stole it this time was Tyson.
Mhm.
Tyson completely won the show and hands down on this one.
Yeah.
I was having to go with Tyson.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, Tyson all the way this time. We got some more taste testings and some different things coming. So check out our other videos, check out our other pages, and until later, we will see you again. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Bye.